Hello everyone. Today we are going to be closing out our paycheck number 2 of December because no, we're not. We're closing out paycheck number 1 of December because paycheck number 2 has already hit. And so we need to close one out completely, get down to a zero-based budget before we can start allocating our money for the next paycheck. So you'll probably see me in the same outfit here and all that in a minute, but let's get this one done. Hi, welcome to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. It is free, okay? And if it's free, it's for me, and it should be for you as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hear it helps the algorithm, as well as leave me a comment down below. Are you ready for 2025, baby? Are you ready? Because it's really on its way. Anywho, let's get into today's video. Let me make myself small over here in the corner. Okay. Today we're going to be working on closing out. Let me move this out the way because it's always in the way. Paycheck number 1 of December. This one right here. So first we're going to go over to our account and we're going to find out where we last were. Okay, I think we were somewhere in this vicinity because we had moved $500 that we had gotten from work to our medical. And so let's start here. And then we have $2 Navy Federal. So let's find our $2 that went to Navy Federal right here. And we'll go ahead and make that green. If you're new here, everything that is cleared the bank account will be turned green. That way we know that everything that's on that paycheck needs to be green in order to close everything out to a zero-based budget. I'm actually going to take this buffer roller out of here so that we know what we're working with as well. And then the next thing we have is our our car for $233.50. So let's find the car that came out. That is a half payment, split payment. And here is the first one, $233.50. We're going to go ahead and mark that as green. $171.80. I think we already marked that. There it is. That was the car insurance, which I accidentally put over here when I meant to put on the card, but it's okay. $43.08 for the water was automatically taken out, so we can mark that as green. Then we have $70.67, which is our student loan. That also came out. We can go ahead and mark that off as green. We've got $200. What is this for? Oh, I Zelled myself $200 from Ally, which let me say, y'all, may have me thinking about it because Ally actually sent that the same day. It sent it the same day. And y'all know I had a little beef with Ally because the first time I used them, I had to wait like a day and a half or 24 hours. And I was like, what's this for Zelle? But I was able to do it and get it the same day. So I might consider putting some of my buckets something, but we'll see. So that's $200. Let me go ahead and write that in here because that's going to be paid on the credit card. That $200 is $150 for the membership for Amazon, and then $50 for the membership for Sam's Club, which came out in December. So in our rollovers and our transfers, I'm going to go ahead and put that we moved over $200. And let me leave myself a note really quick. Y'all know how much I love to insert a note because your girl will not remember. Okay. Sell $200 from Ally for memberships because I do have buckets over in Ally that are for my memberships breakdown. So that's what that was. And then we have $25 for, okay, so these are bills that are paid on the card that I'm paying back from my operating account. So this $25 is for the cell phone. So we go ahead and mark that in green. And then $141 was for the electric bill. And we'll go ahead and mark that in green. And then this $50 is for part of that Sam's Club that I was talking about. So actually what I'll do is where it says memberships down here in our sinking funds. Where is Sam's Club? Sam's Club, I'm going to put $50 and then I'm going to mark it green because I want it to be deducted from the money we just added in. And let's see what's next. All right, guys. So you remember that we had $20 sitting here already before I added the $200 that we transferred. That $20 was from the giveaway that I did, and Cynthia won that. So I sent $20 via Cashapp to Cynthia. budgets because she was the winner. Woo, woo, woo. So that $20, we're going to just put it in other because it really was just like a spur of the moment thing and we don't have a category for that. And I'll just write down here that this was for giveaway winner, if I could spell, and then we'll mark that as green as well because that came out. And then we have $150.12. What the heck is that? Oh, that is the Amazon membership. So it was 12 cents more than I thought it was going to be. So let's find Amazon membership here, which is right here. So we'll put $150.12. We just kind of took the 12 cents out the buffer and weren't going to worry about that. And then we have $20 deposited over for what? Oh, I moved over $20 from Christmas right here because I got Christmas drinks for my coworker, but my sister actually bought them for me. And so that's $20 came in and then $20 went out. I don't even know that I'm gonna I'm not even going to allocate it here because you guys, in 2025, I'm going to start tracking things out of the sinking fund in their own like tracker. So for right now, we're just going to leave it alone because as you'll see, it was $20 in from Christmas and then I Zelled 20 back out to my sister. And so that zeroes each other out right there. Okay, and then Comcast was $80. That is going to be cleared right here. And then we had, what is this $15 for? In here, in and out. Okay, and then I transferred $15 in from, I want to say giving. Yes, from Cheerful Giver. $15 from Giver and $15 out to Celissa because she sent me those digital challenges. So that was payment for her. Yeah. So let's make sure we do all that right now. Okay, so we know we got $80 that came in from the internet. Then we had the security. Oh, that's okay. I was like, what? And then we had the $15 in and out. I'm not gonna worry about it. Again, I will be charged. You'll see that when I pay. Will you see that? When I start checking in 2025 for all the sinking funds and the different funds, we'll be able to see that there. But I'm not gonna worry about that because that was an in and out for something. Then we have Google. Listen, y'all. First of all, Google. I was like, what is this? Y'all, we got paid. We got paid. I got paid. Thank you all so much. I say we because it really is a group effort. I appreciate you all. I support y'all. Y'all support me. I am so, so grateful for everyone who watches my channel, everyone who comments, who gives me a thumbs up, everyone who subscribes. Again, if you've been here this long, please go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. It's free 99. Okay. But I just am so grateful. It's been a great year. I did not get paid every month, but I think I got paid like every other month. And I'm so grateful. And so this 192.10 is a YouTube paycheck. I am going to figure out like taxes and tithes, but I have not figured out what I want to do with this money yet. So I'm just going to move it over into YouTube Boss, and then I will do a separate video showing you, or a short, showing you how I allocated out my YouTube check. We'll figure it out from there. But for now, I don't want to hold up the program for that. So let's go ahead and transfer this money now. So, but I guess we should add that in our hustle money, 192.10, and we'll make a note that says YouTube paycheck from the Grateful Gang. Okay, great. Full gang. I thank you all so much. Why am I down here? Okay, so we're gonna transfer 192.10. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer over. Select an account over to YouTube Boss, which we're already at the top. 192.10, and that was for, I think that was for November. Well, a YouTube check. We're just gonna say YouTube success. Yay. So now that I said it's in, I need to take it out of somewhere, which I don't know that I have YouTube. Oh, I do have YouTube Boss here. So we moved over 192.10 and we want to allocate that. We did that. Okay, wow. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this on pause. Success, y'all. Sorry, that was all the notifications of me moving all the money around and I'm confused. So what happened then? Okay, so that will make that green as well. And then we only have 192, and then my job paid me, which we'll talk about on the next video. And then we paid $27.14, which is our security equipment, which is here. So now I believe that we have everything in green. Everything that we said we were going to pay on this check has been marked out in green. Let's just do a quick rundown. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So everything that we said was going to get paid, we got paid, and we should have a buffer of $47.01. So what that means is we currently have 1694.41. Where my calculator's at? 1694.41, and we had a check of minus the check amount of 1647.40 should give us the yes, Jesus. That gives us our balance, which is 47.01. So now the question is, what are we going to do with $47.01? Girl, I don't know. I don't know. Give me a second. I will be back, you guys. Let me think about what I want to do with this additional money. What would be the best use of this? All right, guys. So after looking at all of my accounts, clearly household needs some money. And then I remembered that I need to get another moisturizer because it's literally gone. I need to buy another face wash for my face, which is gone as well. So beauty is going to get the rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer $20 over to beauty, and then I'm going to put the balance over into, what's the thing called? Household. Yes, that would be the best use of my funds right now. And yeah, let's do that. So we're going to, from Tara's major keys, we're going to go to beauty, and we're going to send beauty's only skin deep. We're going to send $20, and that should have about $100 in it now, which should be more than enough, I think. I'm really upset because I was watching budgeting these video and realized that I had a $20 Ulta a $20 Ulta percentage off, 20% Ulta to use. Does that make sense? I had a 20% off of Ulta things to use like on up to Christmas Eve, and I didn't use it, y'all. I'm so mad. I'm like, dang it, I really needed to buy stuff. So I'll be keeping my eye out. So that's $20, and that's transfer. So over here in beauty, I'm going to put that we actually ended up putting $20 to beauty, and we'll mark that as green. And that was a what? Success. And so now I see that we have 27.01. So we're going to transfer over 27.01 cents over to household, which has 19 cents. So it definitely needs it. Success. And now we have 1647.40, which is exactly what we have from our job. So perfect. So we're gonna be starting with a what? Zero-based budget. So 27.01 went to household. Boom. And we can mark that green. Everything is now green, and we are now at zero balance at the top and a zero balance at the bottom, which means we have come to a what, guys? A zero-based budget. We have budgeted down to zero, and I will be back to allocate out our next check and pay all our bills that are supposed to be on this second check of December, including the mortgage. Okay, but that's the January mortgage, so we're good. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Oh my God, it's my last paycheck of December that we're about to do for the year. So have you gotten your last paycheck of the year yet? Let me know down below. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever. All right. Love you. Mean it. Bye.